As you know, the Buda Road in between Bukidnon and Davao collapsed due to a landslide several days ago. Yan yung site, no? Very unfortunate, no, na meron tayong nakakalungkot na meron tayong dalawang kababayan na nasawi dyan. Dumadaan sila dyan nung bumagsak yung kalye. So, tayo nagpunta dyan nung Tuesday, no, Martes nandyan tayo at para makausap. Ang importante na kinausap namin dyan, yung mga geologists galing sa Mines and Geosciences Bureau ng DNR and our own internal geologists. Kasama ko si Undersecretary Lara on her second day, basically. No? We went there and we wanted to know, number one, what was the cause? And clearly the immediate cause was a landslide caused by water saturation dun sa slope. No? Naipon yung tubig, at dahil doon, bumigat yung lupa at bumigay. No, yung lupa, dinagan niya yung mahigit kalahati nung kalye. No, this is one of the worst landslides in that area. Apparently, there was according to FIVOX, there was a aftershock from the Davao earthquake the night or the afternoon of the incident. And then they're saying that this was the most immediate cause of the landslide. Okay, landslides happen, earthquakes happen. But what I wanted to know is, was the infrastructure structurally sound enough to withstand these natural occurrences? No, that was my question. And that is now being investigated by the technical team of Undersecretary Lara. No? So, inaagam pa natin, no? Kasi bumigay yung slope protection eh. Merong slope protection yan eh. No? Kasi nasa ano siya eh. Nasa bundok eh. No? So, parang Cannon Road. Yan. May slope protection yan. Pero clearly, hindi kinaya ng slope protection. Kaya makikita nyo yung extent ng damage, no? So, itong road na to, the initial two lanes, the ones you see here, sa inner lane, those were built in the late 90s, early 2000s. Okay? But the outer lanes, no, yung sa may bangin, no, these were built anytime between 2021, 2022. No, yun, ito. So, I am investigating now what went wrong. No, ano nangyari? No? Kasi importanteng malaman natin kung ano ang dahilan at kung may problema. Bakit? Kasi mahaba yung kalye na yan. At yan, alam ko, no, and I have to tell our kababayans in Davao and Bukidnon, I know there are strong demands to reopen. But upon consultation with the DNR MGB team and our own geologists and geotechnical specialists, they do not recommend reopening this for now. Why? Because we do not know if the situation that happened in this segment can happen in the other segments. And I am not going to risk anyone from traversing this road until we know exactly ano ang cause and until we know what we can do to either strengthen it or to address possible weaknesses in the road. Maraming nananawagan na buksan ko na agad-agad yan ngayon. Ito, nakikita nyo, may dalawa dito. Ito, may mga nananawagan dyan, buksan ko na yan ngayon. Mahirap itong desisyon na to dahil kabuhayan ng mga kababayan natin yan. No? At nahihirapan sila kasi malayo ang detour. Pero sasabihin ko na ngayon, pasensya na po. Hindi ko po pwedeng i-risk ang buhay ng mga kababayan natin now that I have received information from our geologists that it is a danger area. Okay? Hindi ko gagawin yan. Hindi ako mag-risk ng buhay ng kababayan natin at magbubukas dyan para lang buksan. Okay? So now, ano ang plano? Okay, previous slide please. The plan is we will build a detour road na ayoko na mabagal. Pero kailangan mag-iingat tayo. No? Hindi pwedeng bilis-bilis magagawa tapos mag-landslide, masisira. May mga kababayan tayong may mangyayari sa mga kababayan natin. Hindi pwede yun. No, kung dati, ganun ang ginagawa, well, sa akin, sorry, hindi ganun ang gagawin ko. Buhay to, hindi to basta-basta lang. Okay, so I know there are a lot of calls from the local governments there, both in Bukidnon and Davao to reopen. I will only do that once I am sure that we mitigate the risks. That's why we have to investigate it. What we know as fact today is the slope protection gave way because of the landslide. Bumigay hindi niya na-protect yung slope. At dahil doon, nakita nyo naman, no, gumuho yung ilalim ng kalye, nakapatong yung kalye dito, gumuho ito, nadamay na yung buong kalye. So we have to find out. No, we have to find out. It will be, I don't think it will take that long, no, to find out. Maybe within, we just need the initial data and then we'll make a report.